You know those puzzles that seem really tough at first glance, but then, bam, there's a super simple, kind of elegant solution hiding inside? Well, we're going to crack one of those today. Let's get into it.
All right, here it is, the puzzle for today. We've got two numbers. When you add them up, you get 60. But when you find the difference between them, it's only 6. And the real kicker? We need to figure out the ratio between these two mystery numbers. Okay, let's put on our detective hats for this one. We're on the case, and our mission is to find two unknown values. So, what's our first move? We need to identify these two secret numbers. To make things easy, let's just call them X and Y. They're just labels for now, kind of like code names while we gather our clues. All right, time to unpack the clues. The cool thing is, the puzzle itself gives us everything we need to solve this whole thing. Okay, so here are our two big clues. Clue number 1, add the numbers together and you get 60. Easy enough. Clue number 2, subtract the smaller one from the bigger one and you get 6. That's it. These two facts are going to be the key to everything. So let's turn that first clue into some simple math, right? We just write it out as x plus y equals 60. Boom, first clue officially in an equation form. And we'll do the exact same thing for the second clue. That one becomes x minus y equals 6. Perfect. Look at that. We've got two nice, clean equations to work with. Now the real fun begins. All right, get ready, because this is the part where we crack the code. This is that aha moment that's going to unlock the whole thing. Okay, so our first step is to combine the clues. We're going to stack our two equations right on top of each other and just add them together. Now, what's really interesting here is what happens next. See that plus y in the first equation and the minus y in the second? When we add them, they just disappear. They cancel each other out completely. And that leaves us with something super simple. 2x equals 66. From there, it's a piece of cake. We know that x has to be 33. And there you have it, 33. That's our first mystery number, x. One down, one to go. Okay, so now that we know x is 33, finding y is going to be really easy. We can just go back to our first clue that x plus y equals 60 and plug in the 33 for x. So if 33 plus y is 60, a little quick subtraction tells us that our second number, y, has to be 27. And there we have it. Our mystery numbers are 33 and 27. Let's do a quick double check just to be sure. Does 33 plus 27 equal 60? Yep. Does 33 minus 27 equal 6? It sure does. Perfect. The case of the mystery numbers is closed. But wait, we're not quite at the finish line. The original question asked for the ratio. So let's move on to the final step, finding the relationship between our numbers. So the ratio is 33 to 27. But, we can almost always make ratios a little simpler, a little cleaner. Let's break it down. To simplify, all we got to do is find the largest number that goes into both 33 and 27. And if you think about it for a second, you'll see that number is 3. Both of them are divisible by 3. So let's do the math. We take 33 and divide it by 3, which gives us 11. Then we take 27 and divide that by 3, which gives us 9. So the crucial point is, our new simplified ratio is 11 to 9. And that's it. The final answer is 11 to 9. Puzzle solved. But the really cool thing here isn't just the answer itself, it's the method, right? We took two different clues, put them together in a clever way, and made one of the unknowns just vanish so we could solve for the other. Now that you know the method, just think about it. What other kinds of puzzles could you solve with this exact same logic?